Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Tandem for language exchange opportunities, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with Tandem for language exchange opportunities, start by downloading the Tandem app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create a new account using your email or social media profiles. Set up your profile by adding a clear profile picture and writing a brief bio about yourself. Specify the languages you want to learn and the languages you can teach in your profile settings. Use the search function to find potential language partners based on mutual interests and language goals. Initiate a conversation by sending a friendly message to your selected partner. Be clear about your language exchange preferences, such as topic of discussion or preferred communication method. Join language exchange communities within the app to connect with multiple users at once. Participate in group chats or language learning events organized by Tandem. Utilize the in-app tools for practicing speaking, writing, and listening with your language partners. Schedule regular sessions with your partners to ensure consistent language practice. Provide constructive feedback to each other to help improve your language skills. Explore additional resources and features available in the app to enhance your learning experience. Make sure to adjust your language preferences as you progress to find partners that match your evolving needs. Stay patient and open-minded while engaging with different individuals. Enjoy the process of learning and building relationships through language exchange. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.